Welcome. This is Zangler, the Tesla Semi Advocate, and today's video is called the Tesla Nevada Empire. LFP battery production, semi-prototype line, semi-high volume line under construction, and the OG Gigafactory 1, all in one video. So right now we're flying over to the LFP battery facility on Milan Avenue, just across the street and west of the pilot production building. And if you stay tuned, you'll see all four of these Tesla factories in one shot. This is the east side of the LFP factory, the one they purchased the equipment from CATL for lithium iron batteries, the only lithium iron batteries that I know of that is being produced in the United States of America. And these are going to go into megapacks and potentially also power walls. Extremely crowded around this building. I could see where they could have used a larger building or a building with more space around it, but they're making do with this. You may or may not be aware that they're shuttling massive amounts of workers down from the parking area above Gigasemi. They had been parking on the streets for several weeks, and the Story County Sheriff's Department put an end to that. It was a regular cluster. So they're now all up above. A lot of interesting stuff there. Those two white units with tubes going in. And they had announced that this LFP line was up. So I am wondering, and I have speculated, are they building a second one using the first one as a template? Are they further refining the first one and increasing capacity? Only Tesla knows. And we are free to speculate. This is now the west side of the building. And just as an aside, you got to be some kind of VIP to get this parking right there. Those are the senior, very important people. Lots of tanks, lots of chillers, lots and lots of chillers. With a labyrinth of pipes leading to the chillers. Look at that. Almost looks like a circuit board. That's the security guard gate out there, and you do not get in here. I would say the security here is higher than any of the other Tesla facilities, and there's one of the shuttle buses bringing some workers down from the parking area up above. And this goes on all day. There they are. They're swiping their badge on a reader and going to work. This was filmed this was filmed early in the morning. Let's just leave it at that. Now we're looking at the 550 Milan semi-factory, pilot production line, pilot/prototype semi-production line, where all the existing semis that are on the road and many in the hands of customers for benchmarking. Every single one of them has been built here. And there are 9 left, and either to be distributed to customers or to be used by Tesla themselves for production. And my guess is that those are for customers. There are a bunch of fairings. Now remember, if they're going to produce 150, and I've heard as many as 200 a day, they are going to have to build a lot of fairings, a lot of fiberglass fairings. So that may be what that corner of the building is. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, then I apologize. But the northwest corner, I'll try to refer back to it when we get over there, has a bunch of tanks that perhaps are for the fiberglass fairing production. Now we're coming around the eastern side of the building. That's a Tesla production trailer with the McKinney trailers, which are one of at least a couple of companies that Tesla uses and leases trailers from. You can see almost all of those are McKinney's, and quite a few Tesla semis available if you're looking closely. More production ones hooked up to a McKinney trailer. And when you get over to this end of the building, you're looking at the engineering units that are benchmarking and putting miles on Tesla semis every day to encounter issues if they arise before any customers do, to gather data and statistics. And it's quite a commitment, actually. This is a bunch of still shots of the LFP factory. Maybe I kind of overdid it here, but bear with me for about a minute and you'll see the what I think are some cool shots of all three. And there's one right there. At the beginning of the video and at the end, the buildings are labeled, but if this will hold still long enough, that's the LFP factory. In the foreground, the top right is the prototype factory. Skip that beige building, you see the semi high volume factory, and in the back, the original Gigafactory one with the red stripe. This is a band of diatomaceous earth. Billions and billions of diatoms from ancient Lake Lahontan got deposited in that one band, and those are commercially harvested. Thanks for joining, and I'll leave you with that final shot.